Hey friends, this look, oh my god, is so amazing. You can do it on your brides, on engagement, or even for parties. It is so versatile, and in these days, the shimmer, the glitters, they speak for itself. The very first part is getting an eye base. I am using P. Louise Eyes Base. You can use any concealer you have, but the concealer should be lighter in color so that the lighter the concealer, the more colors will pop on your eyes. So I am using Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette and I'm going in with pink brush. Now, why I said pink brush? It's a small blending brush. This was gifted by my little ones, so I wanted to use this brush especially for eye look, and this shows you can use any brush to create eye looks. It need not be branded or expensive ones. It should just work well. So this is the one small blending brush I am using, and I'm blending it all over my lid. Now you can see my eyeshadow is getting a little patchy, but this is what the training comes in. The training as in you practice it. Even if it gets patchy, keep blending. It smooths out itself. And then I went with a bigger blending brush to blend out the harsh edges of my eyeshadow. I went in with a lighter color. So as you go towards the top of the lid, always use lighter colors and keep blending. So even if your eyeshadow gets patchy, like in my case, just keep on blending. That's it. No hard and fast rule. I wanted to do something different today, so I went in with P. Louise Space again on a flat brush and pack it on the center of a lid. Now this type of a look is some sort of, you can say, hollow eye look, because it's a spotlight where you're putting a light concealer in the center of your lid. This is very in these days. I see a lot of Instagram videos, YouTube videos with people doing this. So they never show you this step, but you always think why the eyes are shining so much or why there is so much shimmer in the center. You just need to pack concealer and blend it thoroughly. I'm using the same blending brush because I wasn't worried even if it has a little bit brown hue in it. It anyway worked out well for me. Soften the edges a little bit so that it looks diffused, and then add some glitter on the top. Now what happened, I was just going in with the glitter and I realized no, it's not looking nice. I went in with some shimmer, packed it on the lid like this one, and then I again went with the glitter on the top. I couldn't record that part, so that's why I'm showing it to you now. So always go with a light shimmer on the top and then glitter. It gives nice, beautiful color. And then use light shimmer in your inner corner and brow area as well. Now, I like to highlight these 2 points because this way your eyes look lighter and beautiful and wider. And then I went in with same brown eyeshadow in my lower lash line, and I am using a gel liner on my lid today. Now gel liner is from Inglot. Now if you get the Maybelline one, you can blend it, diffuse it, no worries. But with the Inglot one, it is really good in the sense as soon as you put on your lid, it packs, it settles down so fast that if you do not blend within 1 second or 2 seconds, you can't blend that gel liner. So if you're looking for that soft eye look, you have to be very careful with with Inglot. So I went in with Inglot, blended a little bit, but I was, as I said, finding harder to blend because it sets really quickly. I went in with the brown eyeshadow on top and blended just to give a softer look. I again went in with the brown eyeshadow and lower lash line because what I did, I went in with some concealer under my eyes and I saw the color diffusing out. So I just went in with that again and used some white nude eye pencil in my lower lash line and some mascara from Maybelline and some lashes in the end. This is the complete look. And this is super easy. Nobody will tell you tips and tricks like I did. Do try it and let me know in comments how did it turn out. And if you want to see more of such looks, do subscribe to my channel and I will see you in my next video.